Lapland Proving Ground sits in one of the coldest regions in Europe. Located more than 200 kilometers north of the Arctic Circle, here, extreme temperatures, snow, and natural ice create conditions no laboratory can truly replicate. Our full-service winter testing facility offers over 20 kilometers of land and ice tracks, designed for cars, commercial vehicles, and even heavy trucks. From handling courses and ice tracks to snow routes, every track can be prepared and customized according to customer requirements. On-site infrastructure includes heated workshops, offices, meeting rooms, and a fuel station directly on the proving ground. We also provide high-power EV charging to ensuring reliable testing for electric vehicles in deep cold. Additionally, we operate cold chambers capable of reaching -40 degrees, large enough to accommodate van-size vehicles for extreme cold testing and thermal conditioning. The entire area is fenced, monitored, and operated under strict NDA, guaranteeing complete confidentiality and safety for prototypes and development projects. Accommodation, logistics support, local knowledge, and full service are available throughout your stay, including our own drivers, engineers, and mechanics for long-term durability testing.